So hello guys, now I want to show you my latest project which I have done to my car, and it was changing the faulty dimmed mirrors. Here you can see I have removed this mirror from my car. It is a little bit dirty, but it is not a big deal because it is faulty. It is the factory dimmed mirror which usually sits on the left side of your Mercedes, and every Mercedes of that era have this problem. I don't why. This mirror has some lubrication or oil in it, and this oil often fades, and then it causes the problem. You cannot see right in this mirror. Here you can see how it looks from inside, the clips which are attached to the main motor, and some spring which is secured, which secures this mirror. I already had decided to change the right part as well because it has some markings from previous owner on it. It is also removed from my right side, and here you can see it is also faulty because it has missed the clip, and the attaching point of the clip is broken as well. So I went to the junkyard, and I was able to find some good looking and good condition mirrors from other W210. I have found them and bought them with the main mechanism. Here is the glass covering itself. uh, uh, Guess me that it is good to take them because you can reuse some part from these coverings, especially these gaskets and side markers, and itself the motor engines which moves the glass. So it is a good deal for me, especially I picked them up about $35 for both, and I'm very happy. Here you can see the dimmed mirror, how it looks. It is a little dirty, and it has the dust, but I will clean it, not a big deal. It is very important that this mirror is not faulty, and it looks very good, almost new, and it has all the mounting brackets, clips, and other switches on the inside of it. Here you can see the part number, and I think that it was a very good and great deal which I have done. I was preparing about this job about 1 year, and I decided to do it, and at least I have done it. And now I show you how new mirrors look on my car. This is the right size or right side mirror, plus also from a new car. So guys, the job is in progress. It is not very easy to put everything on its side. On its place. You must be a mechanic or otherwise, but I am not. And at first I put the old glasses in the new coverings to see how the everything is mounted, and then I was able to do my job properly and install new mirrors on my car. Here you can see I have already cleaned it as I could from inside, and you must only install these two lines which are for heating, and then you must attach the mirror to the main motor. The mirror has this aluminum spring on it, and when you attach the mirror you must securely push this clip, and the mirror will securely sit on its place, and it will not go anywhere during driving. So guys, here is the final result. I have installed the mirrors on my car. This is the left side. Here you can see that it looks very good, and it shines a little bit different, so I can assume that when I am putting the light on it, it is dimming. I will test it at night, and here it is the right side of the mirror also installed on my car, and it looks also the way better than that mirror which have the markings and letters on it. And now guys, I will test how the mirrors work and show you the result. Here we are in the car now, and let's see how they move. Here it is, the movement, you can see it. I am adjusting the left side mirror from the saloon, and let's adjust the right side mirror. Here you can see also it adjusts very good. And now let's fire up the engine, and let's see how the mirrors are folding. My car has this function, and you can see that they fold without no problems, and from the interior of the car. So I'm very happy now, and I have finally did this project, and now my mirrors look like new, and they operate like also like new also. So guys, it was the little project. If you have any questions how detailedly to remove or install the mirrors, let me know, and I will try my best to show you. I have the mirror coverings and all the mirrors in my garage, and I will do this video separately. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video will be useful. Once again, thank you and goodbye.